Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. Well, in case you haven't noticed, my health bar has been depleted due to the fact that some of the golem-like creatures rolled up here and shot fire at me whilst I was making a thing happen. And I'm not sure which direction I'm meant to have been running. I can't remember what it is I was meant to be doing. It's been a while since I recorded last, like a couple days. Oh, no, that's the shortcut back up there, so... I remember now, I do indeed, I remember now, Oh yeah, yeah. Boom, boom, yeah. Yeah, boom, boom, ha. My phone buzzed, yeah. That's a Facebook message, yeah. I will get back to that later, yeah. I'm gonna rest up here, just to heal me, like so. Sorry about this little delay. Yeah. Sorry about the amazingly stunning commentary there. Now then, what I need to do is become a human again so I can get more Solaire help. But I've only got the 14 humanity. I might need to go and farm some rats, I believe. Pop. I hope I've kindled this bonfire. I'm not sure whether I have or not. No humanity. I'm not sure whether that means whether I've done it or not. Oh well, whatever. Okay, so keep running. Lots of running. Ah. I'm glad I looked around. What's this? The soul of a brave warrior. Oh yeah! Oh dear. That was not the smartest of decisions I don't think I've ever made. Oh well, maybe. Can I actually get out from this a little bit? Yes? Thank you. Whew. Damn these tree tentacle things. Right. I should really have got up some faith, or at least equip the, what's it called? I don't even remember what it's called. Ugh, I'm pretty useless at this. The pyromancy flame thing. You know what I'm talking about. I'm very scared. Oh god, I can't even get out of that. Is it after me or is it after Solaire? Solaire, why are you just running through the lava? That does not seem like a good idea to me. In fact, it seems rather unsensible. I mean, sure, it's the direct route, but... geez, you're going to be taking pretty massive damage, and you're not getting anything done, really. Damn it, Solaire. I thought you had a brain. Don't get eaten. Jesus, man. Jesus. Ah, well. Damn, this lava burns you up pretty good. Just chug a couple more flasks, taking me down to 5. Get my retrieval on. Solaire, you're almost dead. And we've done literally no damage. Actually, is that some damage? No, I think we've done literally no damage to this thing. Ugh. I have no way of beating it. Solair's dead. That's great. Do I have any homeward bones, perchance? No? Okay. I guess I'll try and beat it on my own then. Come here, mother bitch. Don't pretend you don't want it. I know you want me. I know you're after me. Come get it. Ho. Come get it. That's... You're not doing very well, are you? You look kind of trapped. Ugh. Trust me to glitch it in a position that doesn't do any good for me. Do I have anything that I can use to murder this fool? Because I've got the Great Bow and Demon Catalyst, but I don't have any spells attuned. Do I have anything else? No. What about in this section? Nope. Literally nothing. Great. Ow. Douche. That's not a good position for me to be in, bro. If you'll excuse me, I'm just gonna drink some Estus. Ow, man. Jeez, calm down. And I got killed by fire. Lovely. That is just what I wanted to happen. Oh, well, at least now we get to see whether I've done the, whatsamajiggy. I don't remember. Ugh. Kindle, that's the one. I've kindled it. I haven't. Okay then, that means 2 humanities. Pop in 1. And popped 2. Now I need to undo that. Reverse the hollowing. Do then kindle like so. Just saying, right? Not to put a timer on like a date timestamp thing on when I'm making this video, but one of my other videos is currently 50% processed in its uploading stage, which means it's at about 75% to being viewable. Oh my. I'm not going to tell you which one, because that's definitely going to timestamp it, but is good. Is very good, as the Deutschlandians might say. They might not, but they might. Traverse the white light. Dun dun. Okay, Centipede. You get your ass over here, fool. Fool of a took. I wonder, if you get him to throw his arm over there, does that do anything for you? Because knowing Dark Souls, it probably does. Let's grab these. Heal up. Probably should have done that after doing this, but just in case the damage I take is insane, which wouldn't surprise me. Right. If you have a look, this looks like it might be breakable. Just need enough force. Such as some giant centipede demon throwing its arm at it. Did it do anything? No. Okay, well, theory failed. Was worth trying, though. This is so chaotic. Thing's massive. Ow. Dude. Relax your ass, fool. Am I in the lava? No? Good. Go on, Solaire, throw. That does minimal damage. I'm not happy with minimal damage, I want maximal damage. Oh dear. I want to be able to do the optimal amount, which is not what I'm currently able to do. Especially when, like, a single stamp almost murders me. Don't eat me. Oh, you tried. You really tried. I don't like essentially using Solaire as bait, which is, you know, what I'm doing. And I also don't like their invincibility frames. I don't really get those. It's not fair that they do. Especially when I'm down to my last flask. Which I had to use. Roll. Where am I? Oh god. I'm gonna die again, aren't I? Oh man, I'm so dead. Can't damage it when you're locked on. Should've known. If you're locked on, it's gonna target the wrong place. This is so hard. But I have a plan. You needn't fear. Oh, video finished uploading during that fight. Now then. I need to go to... Is it that one? No, the closest one should probably be... Depths. Then to blight... Yeah, depths. Okay. Swap here. Oh no, I already saved that dude, didn't I? Did I? I don't know! Oh well, as I'm already here, I may as well go check to see if I saved the, fiery cool. Do 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 do. La di dee da da dum dum. You are a dum dum, yeah. If not, then we could also have Big Hat Logan to perhaps save. If he's still in Sen's Fortress. Jeez, I don't actually know what else. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Bitchy Face McGee's not up there anymore, so yeah, we did save him. Thought as much. Yeah, you can die as well. Thank you. Hello, dog. You ready and willing to come after me? Well, I say ready. You willing to come after the onion-headed golem Havel combination? Yeah, I didn't think so, bitch. Right. Now then, I may as well just head back up to Firelink now. I might actually need to drink up, because it's not really... damage isn't really something you need to worry about here when you're my level with this armor. But, you know, enough small instances end up being a big one. So if you're careless, you can still die. And I would rather not have that happen. You know? I think that's perfectly understandable. So then you come up here, and you come over here, then you leave through here, and you come up here. Where's here? I recall the undead burger. Do 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 do. So, every time I tell anyone that I do archery, most of the time people want to like join in because, you know, archery is cool and amazing and fun and whatnot. But finding time, just like Kung Fu, I've told one of my friends I'll teach them after we finished our exams because we need to revise and stuff. And then my other friend, unfortunately, I don't actually think I will talk to them that much after exams. So, yeah. It's gonna be a bit difficult because up until our exams we're both going to be extremely busy revising, but I don't want to deprive them of the opportunity of archery because, you know, it's archery. No one deserves to be deprived of that. Oh, short sword, lovely, lovely. Hello. You're dead. So are you. And you're not going to bother me. Oh yeah, I killed bitch head, didn't I? Maybe. I've got to talk to you though, bro. Hey there. Oh man, I love this guy. He's great. Just gives you the pyromancy flame. Okay. What do I need? Because I don't think fire would be very good, but flash sweat might come in quite useful. You don't need to know anything for it. You get 3 uses. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy that.
Be safe, friend. Don't you dare go hollow.
Don't worry, I know. What do we get for each of these? 2k? 5k?
Oh, hello there.
My.
Oh, as always.
I'll do that. A couple times. Then I will buy Flash Sweat to help against fire damage, correct? Pioneered new directions for the art of pyromancy. Yeah, reduces flame damage. Yeah, I'll buy that. Then I'll get this up again.
Goodbye then.
Equip it.
Come back if you find anything new.
I will. You chill there, bro. Now I'll put it in the shield section. So, just looked it up. The Demon Man is weak to bleed, magic, and lightning. And my weapons, they don't do those things. What's that one? Occult. Silver wooden club. Break, however, a single miss wide open. Great club, dragon tooth. Ah, lightning. Aha. So it does. Yeah, I guess I should be using that against them instead. My roll isn't quite a fast roll with this, so if I equip some fire resistant stuff, like that. Whoa, is this heavier? Looks like that was heavier. Definitely not heavier. There we go. Okay. One last thing I think I've got to do before I can head back to face Centipede once more. And that is to what's the term? Can't remember. I think there's a humanity that I can pick up that I haven't got, which would be useful because I want to summon Solaire. And Solaire is good for the old humanitors. Well, no, you need the humanitors to make the Solaire appear. Now then, where am I going? It's around here somewhere, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, then if you come down here, grab a soul thing, you come down here, timed that brilliantly. Yeah, the humanity's up here. Damn, man, this wall. I like it. I like it a lot. Boop. Thanks, bro. Hey, bro. Die. Die. It's a long way to go. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is so easy. Like this. Especially when you can just kill them through their shield with your own shield up. You don't even have to worry about taking damage, really. Although, admittedly, it does look like it took a tiny little smidgen of damage. Oh no, can I not walk back to that other one? That sucks, man. That really sucks. Because that means I've got to go all the way back here. Ugh. Fine. Na na na. Da na 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 na. Da na na. Da 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 da. I don't know why I'm singing the Scooby-Doo theme tune to you. Hey, bro. Oh, you're back to normal, are you? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Can you, like, open the door, perhaps? No? Okay. That's fine. Oh, I need to attune my other magic, don't I? I'll do that before I go. Doop. For doop. All's good. I wonder how long Flash Sweat works for. We will see. He's not all that bothered about it running out before I get to the next bonfire. Shouldn't be too challenging for me to get there. I want to kill you. Just because I can. And I kind of need the souls. Ah, there's so many of them. Retreat, let my stamina come back. Don't you be spraying blood on me, fool. So many died. Thanks for the vermifuge, bro. Yeah, they look so gross. Okay. Oh, well, the spell came off at some point there. Don't know how long that took, but oh well. Hiya! Ow. That was not the healthiest of choices I have ever made. But oh well. Now then. I think that once we get back to our original bonfire from this episode, nice cyclic episode, we will end it and we will begin the next one by again going to battle with one evil motherfucking centipede demon thing. You know, I forgot my Black Knight Sword does extra damage against, like, the Capra Demon. So, yeah, this isn't fun. Whew, that was difficult. But I shouldn't have to face any more of them until I am all the way back through to the medium bonfire. And then I need to... Actually, yeah, I'm going to switch back to the Black Knight Sword for now. That one. Just so I can kill Taurus face a bit easier. But old Centipede, Demoon, I should theoretically be able to jump attack nowadays, I suppose. Maybe you do have to go through the fog gate though, otherwise you just straight up die, I don't know. Right, now I've rested there. This is where I should respawn. Can I see him? I don't see him. Why don't I see him, man? That seems unfair. He's totally down there. Whatever. Shit happens. Dun 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 dun. Hey Tauros, how you doing, bro? Dude, I totally rolled out of the way of that. I don't know what you're talking about, Tauros. Stop being so morose, Tauros. You know what, screw it. I'm just gonna run. Because without my other armor, I'm kinda squishy. Hey there, Fire Bros. How are you? You good? Good. Oh, hello, Tauros. Are you at the edge of your area? You are. Haha, bitch. That's right. Nobody can take me on. Nobody. Not even myself. Okay. My name has been James, everybody. I would like to thank you all for watching thus far. ask if you would be willing to follow the series, support the series, and just my channel in general by liking and favourity, shariness, and subscribing if you are not. Then also, I would like to request that you, in the comments below, let me know, have you ever tried archery? And if so, did you enjoy it? Anyway, my name has been James. Your name's been whatever the hell your name has been, and I will see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.